What's up, guys? Hollywood Chimera. Just got done helping my friend put an engine into a Z31. It's a 1986 coupe, not 2+2 like I have, which I will be talking about later in my YouTube journey. I have a lot of big things going on with it, and y'all will hear about it at some point. But I did not help him finish this project. I was just there for part of it. I believe kind of half, maybe more than half. I helped him set up the vg33 before he put it in, for the most part, and then I helped him take apart everything in the engine bay to get it out of the car, and then we were almost able to take it out, but it was like 2 in the morning, and we didn't figure out that we had to take off another screw, or I guess it was me that didn't figure out we had to take off another screw on the alternator. And he took out the transmission, and then he figured it out, and then he broke it. And yeah, so we do have pictures after the fact, and we also have a video before the fact. Unfortunately, I didn't get any footage from us like completely taking it out, because I did say it was 2 a.m. and he did not take a video of him taking it out. But we do have photos and video of some of the before, and then a video after when he did a pull or something like that. He just sent me, and yeah, that's basically it. I'll put that stuff up there, and then I'll get to talking about what we did specifically. This is just an intro, so sub and like if you like the video. That's all I got for now. Let's get into it. Alright, so everything that's going on right now, basically we're just taking off the studs for the headers, and then I will be taking off basically like all the bolts. We had to take off the oil filter and all the stuff that came with it, because we had to change the location of where it is, and then we took off all the brackets, all of the timing stuff, the covers and everything, and also the thing that you put the intake plenum on, because we swapped out everything that went on that engine. We basically took off everything from the other engine and put it onto this one. And then we also wanted to put anti-seize. All of this stuff was his idea. It's his engine, and it's his car, but I just helped with it. And he wanted to put anti-seize on everything so that nothing would obviously seize, but he just didn't want to work on like a oily bad engine, so he wanted to clean everything, and we cleaned basically everything in this video. We took out the oil from the oil pan, because we did take off the oil pan, and I believe that shows later in this video. After that, pretty much you can see what goes on. We're just cleaning it in this video, and then you'll see photos of what it looks like later on, what it looks like when he took it out of there, and then you'll also see a video where we were trying to take it out in the beginning, and we kind of just messed up. And that part right there, the bolt for the tensioner pulley for the AC compressor, that wasn't coming out, so we tried everything. We welded the nut to it, because it was just a stud. We welded a nut to it, and then we tried to take it off, and it wasn't working out. We got it out in the last bit of it, since we went to go get lunch, and by that time I guess it all cooled down and it had enough time to get the liquid wrench in there, and it came out. So yeah, we tried. You'll see it, and we didn't get it in this video, but we did get it. Or did we get it in this video? I think so. We might have, actually. But other than that, not a lot to comment on. If y'all would like to hear what happened, I can put a whole podcast thing out. He was talking about it. He wanted me to put a podcast out about it or whatever, of what we were saying in the video, because this is just sped up by like 10 times. But yeah, if y'all want to hear that, let me know. And other than that, that's it. I'll talk to you guys next time.
This chicanery? He's done worse. That billboard. Are you telling me that a man just happens to fall like that? No!
What's up, guys? So basically we're about to pull this motor out right now. We took it for a ride because we changed out the bearings in the back, and it didn't fix the problem that we were trying to fix, but it's whatever. So this is what it looks like before. Right. And then I will be back when it's pulled out.